First, navigate to the Device Repair dashboard and click on the In Diagnosis section to view all devices currently under diagnosis. Return to the dashboard and head to the Work in Progress section to monitor all active repair tasks. Here, you can see which devices are currently being repaired, who is handling them, and the progress status. This provides a clear snapshot of ongoing work and helps in managing timelines efficiently. Go back to the dashboard and click on the Done section to review completed repair requests. This section gives you a quick overview of all devices that have finished their repair journey. It ensures you can track completed work, measure performance, and maintain proper records. Open any request within the Done section to review the detailed repair information. Go to Device Repair right-pointing arrow Service Repair Checklists to view the detailed checklists for each repair, helping to maintain quality and consistency. Go to Device Repair right-pointing arrow Repair History to review all past repair requests along with their current statuses. Dive into the device repair history to explore all past repair requests in detail. Check each entry carefully, including customer info, device details, and repair progress. Click on the Completed button to instantly filter and view only the repairs that are fully finished. Bar graph get a clear snapshot of completed tasks to track performance and maintain records. Stay organized and efficient, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks while managing repair history. Click on Device Repair Dashboard. To create a new repair request, open the device repair form and carefully enter all necessary details, including the customer and device information. Once everything is filled in, save the form to record the request in the system. Finally, click on the Received button to update the status, marking the repair request as officially received and ready for processing. Finally, return to the dashboard to get an overview of all repair activities at a glance. Click on the Received stage to instantly access all newly submitted repair requests that are awaiting your attention. This helps you stay organized, prioritize incoming tasks, and ensure every request is processed promptly and efficiently.